Welcome to Twinkle Tunes for Kids!
The wheels on the bus go spin, spin, spin. Spin, spin, spin. Spin, spin, spin. The wheels on the bus go spin, spin, spin. All through the town. The lights on the bus go blink, blink, blink. Blink, blink, blink. Blink, blink, blink. The lights on the bus go blink, blink, blink. All through the town. The doors on the bus go whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. The doors on the bus go whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. All through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town. The driver on the bus says, wear your belt. Wear your belt. Wear your belt. The driver on the bus says, wear your belt. All through the town. The kids on the bus go giggle and sing. Giggle and sing. Giggle and sing. The kids on the bus go giggle and sing. All through the town. The windows on the bus go up and down. Up and down. Up and down. The windows on the bus go up and down. All through the town. The music on the bus goes la la la. La la la. La la la. The music on the bus goes la la la. All through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish.